Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix battery drain problem in your Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video, friends. So first let's start the video. So you can see, if you are charging your smartphone and while playing games, so this will also degrade your battery life and drain your battery faster. So instead of this, you can firstly charge your smartphone at least uh, 80 to 90%, and then you have to play games or any task you are doing. So don't consume that much of battery life that it maybe use more power to turn it on. So at least you have to left over 15 to 20% battery life for charging. If you go for 0% and then want to just charge it again, so it will degrade your battery life also. So you have to avoid these things, friends. Then you have to turn off automatically update feature in your smartphone. So if you have set automatically update applications on night or software update at night, you have to turn it off. So it will also drain your battery life faster. If you want to do it, you can just do it manually. And then friends, you have to update your application and do a time to time updates in your smartphone. So this will not degrade your smartphone battery life and not drain your battery life. And if you are performing very high task in your smartphone, like playing games at high fps and high graphics, so this will also heat your device, and sometimes your battery may be heated, or it will also degrade at its not give too much of performance at its peak level. So you have to not doing things like performing a high task gaming in your smartphone if it is not eligible. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.